Good day, good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm actually, excited right now because the news coming out is that Chelsea have officially started negotiations for Victor Osimhen. Yes, finally we are waking up. Finally, it's happening. Just the thought of Osimhen in a Chelsea shirt gives me goosebumps. I don't want to lie. This is the type of striker we have been crying for, But listen, this negotiation must not be the typical Chelsea back and forth. This is not the time to play hardball or act like we've got all the time in the world. This is Victor Osimhen we are talking about. This guy is not just a footballer. He's a game changer, a serial deliver, a trophy magnet. If we want to talk about Victor Osimhen, let me break it down for those who might have forgotten or didn't know. Napoli, a club with history, with passion, with one of the most loyal fan base in Europe, went 33 years without winning the Serie A. They call it the Serie A. That's an entire generation of fans who never saw their club lift the league title. Then came Victor Osimhen, and in just one season of brilliance, one season of hunger, power, peace, and deadly finishing, boom, Napoli are the champions of Italy. 33 years of waiting ended just like that. That's Victor Osimhen for you. Victor Osimhen effect. But wait, it gets better. Turkish Cup. Pain, frustration, a team that needed a hero, and once again, who steps in? Victor Osimhen. Turkish Cup winner, goal contribution in 39 games. Those are Ballon d'Or level numbers. Let's be honest. And just when you thought he couldn't do more, Osimhen smashes another record. He becomes the first, the foreigner player with the most goals in Turkish football history. The most ever in a league filled with the legends. Victor Osimhen stands above all that. So, Chelsea, what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we hesitating for? What are we hesitating for? We need goals. We need someone who can actually lead the line with confidence. We need a forward who doesn't buckle under the pressure, who thrives when the stakes are high. We need a man who can drag a team from darkness into glory. We can't be like Manchester United guys. Like Victor Osimhen is not coming to participate. He's coming to dominate. And if we are serious, his wage demands might sting a little. But sometimes to get the gold, you have to dig deeper. You have to swallow your pride and do what it does. Just let that happen. I know we have Jackson, and that guy does absolutely nothing for us. That guy does absolutely nothing for us. So please tell us what you think in the comment section. Would you want to see this signing getting through or what? I know all those who doesn't want this to happen are Manchester United fans. So just keep your comments in your hearts. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.